This part of the video was actually supposed to be like it says on the screen in the previous video. It didn't get there, so after downloading the other video, I decided, you know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and put that on anyways. So I wanted everybody to see this part. This was just before unloading my trailer with my new bench on it. But these things are heavy, and this thing wants to raise up in the back when I get too much weight in it. But sure does help me move some stuff around. So I'm working on making something that I can put back here so that I can counterweight. I need a counterweight for back there, and I think I'm gonna have my welder friend help me with that. In the meantime though, I'm gonna see if I can get all this loaded in one shot and bring it around back. Fingers crossed. This is heavy. HMS, guys. Heavy metal steel. Save your rotors. They're worth about, believe it or not, $3 to $5 a piece. That's incredible. That's a lot of money. I'll come back and get them because we are loaded. I don't even know if I'll be able to go. Back tires might not even turn. Maybe my weight, my little skinny butt might help. I definitely can't pick it up anymore, I can tell you that. Oh yeah, it's heavy. Heavy. Heavy metal steel. Look, all this rock back here, it used to go all the way back there. All the way it did, and the grass grew to it. Look, my wheels are trying to spin. Got some weight. See if we can dump them in my heavy metal steel pile. Oh, I got a few things in the way. I gotta move that grill and kill some grass. My word, this little tropical storm we had. Oh, my tire's empty too. I need to put some air in my tire. All right, believe it or not, that's as far as she's going with that weight in it. Let's go ahead and move this out of the way. Oh shoot. Well, I tell you what I'm gonna do with this as soon as I can. I'm gonna put it right in my trailer with whatever else I don't take out of there. Put that right in there with it, and that, and that. Oh boy, the rain has really done me not good around here, guys. Whoo-wee, scratch my grandpa. What's next? It's a mess. I gotta take some of the aluminum off this thing. Heavy stuff. Still gotta do something to that. Nice piece of aluminum. Let's see. So a lot of that right there can go right back in the truck as soon as I, excuse me. As soon as I get to where I can get to it. HMS, most of this, some heavy metal steel. Of course, not the rim. Man, the water has really. All right, this microwave needs to go on top. Yes, sir. All right, put these rotors right there. And one day, when I get enough of them, we'll bring them in. And hopefully, if I can bring in 1,000 pounds of this, guys, that's probably, scrap metal's going for between 7 and 8 cents a pound for a shred. This is going between 9 and 11. So 1,000 pounds, 110 bucks. Something like that. Doesn't take much for these things to add up to 1,000 pounds. I can tell you that much right now. All right, maybe we can pull that up here. See if she'll get any grip now. I didn't get no grip at all. Come on, baby. Yeah, there we go. Dump, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Show me the money. It is 8 o'clock Sunday morning. My wife's coming home today. Can't wait. I love her to death. She's a good woman. She's a wonderful woman, and for anybody that doesn't know, Scrapple Grandpa met my wife, Jamie Love, on Yahoo Chat. Can you believe it? Yahoo Chat. Oh boy. Tell you one thing, that bench is gonna be a beauty. That bench is gonna be a beauty. I gotta get this stuff out of here. Over there. Oops. I gotta do something with that grill. That grill needs to go in here. Boom! Boy. I almost think this thing could almost be ridden again. Almost be ridden. Oops. Oops. Yeah. That needs to go in the truck. That needs to go in. I need to tear off the bottom. But finally, can you believe it? How long has this thing been in here, guys? Way too long. Way too long. But you gotta remember, I've been dealing with a storm, so not that I've been lazy. Well, I've been a little bit lazy. Because of the weather. Not because I'm lazy. The weather has been terrible. And I don't know about you, but when it's rainy out, man, I have a really hard time trying to do anything. Two more air conditioners to tear apart. Cords. Good goodness. Got a washing machine to tear apart. Get my bench out of here. Get a couple nuggets. I always take these. And there's other goodies up there too. You can take, and you can go watch Big Country do that. And you can also watch Big Country take these apart for that brass that's inside of there. Big Country scrapper. I'm gonna cut that off, send it on. I'm gonna cut that off. I'm gonna see if I can take it apart and get it out. That lady gave me 20 bucks to take her glass doors